I moved to the Villages about 3 years ago, started realizing I wanted an outdoor space. So I started looking at pergolas, and I noticed quickly there were louvered pergolas. I came across this great video. He mentioned the company, the Luxury Pergola. So I went online and looked at the website. I love the build your own pergola, so I started building it, and I appreciated everything about it. It's so new and cutting edge, and a lot of people don't think about that. They want what everybody else has, and I enjoy thinking outside the box. So once I ordered the pergola, it was turnkey. The process of actually installing the pergola was like Legos. It really was. This is just, to me, almost a no-brainer. It's a great outdoor space, high quality, lifetime warranty, people that I can contact anytime. I just feel like I was well taken care of and continue to be well taken care of. I just highly recommend this. If you want a structure outside that gives you so many options, I can't imagine anything better. The materials, that's another thing I should mention. This has been through 2 hurricanes, Hurricane Helene and Hurricane Milton. High winds, especially with Milton, and not even a wobble. This thing is so solid. Honestly, it was all about the view for me. I don't want to block my view. I want to have a place where I can entertain my friends, have a glass of wine, sit out here in the morning, have a cup of coffee, enjoy watching the golfers go by, and just enjoy the weather, even sit out here in a light rain, which I wasn't able to do before, even in the evening, because I put lights up. When the lights come on, it is just kind of magical. Yeah, I love my pergola.